Hey everyone, I am Pritam Bhadra. I'm a motivational speaker and a corporate trainer. I help professionals and entrepreneurs excel in their communication skills, develop leadership capabilities, and master their digital presence. And in this series, we are discussing about how you can take your challenges to opportunities. So today we are discussing about the first strategy, that is to alter your perspective. See, there are times when you face problems and the magnitude may not be as big as you think it is. And that happens because it all depends on how we approach that problem. There are times when we feel like, that we won't be able to do it because that problem makes us remind about our past emotions. So we take the past emotions and past problems that are unsolved, we take the insecurities that is there in the future, and then we take all of that and put it in that small problem. And because of which it becomes so big. And these big problems, when seen with your own eyes, become so daunting. You feel like, oh God, I won't be able to do it. And then you get into the panic mode. It's very important that you change your perspective and see the things the way they are. Now you're going to ask me a question, Pritam, how do I do that? How do I change my perspective and see the things as they are? It all depends on having the right kind of thought process. Every single point of time, you actually can have a control on your irrational thought process. That point of time, you will be able to see the things as they are and not unnecessarily magnify things. Do remember that action is very important. Every single time you take the right action will give you the clarity of what you should be doing, and that will give a great perspective, because perspective precedes action. Right action follows the right perspective. So from the next time you face any kind of problems or challenges, make sure that you even verify if the challenges, the problem you're facing, even if that kind of magnitude or not, or it's just your unknown worries, your mindset problem, because of which you are thinking that it's going to be unachievable. But in reality, it may be a small thing which you are over glorifying. Right? So the next time, I'm sure that this strategy is going to be really helpful for you. And if these kind of videos are something that you really like, make sure that you follow me, subscribe me, and let me know in the comment section that how you're dealing about your problems and challenges and how these kind of videos are helping you. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.